So I noticed a lot of people, like one guy messaged me today and it really sunk in. Like, even though I've been doing this a while, sometimes I have these moments where I like realize what I'm supposed to be doing. So you probably haven't gotten this email yet, but somewhere in my autoresponder, there is a email about the day my grandfather died. And just like the emotions that were going through my head. And like, I was like sad, but at the same time grateful that I could hang out with him for so long. And then today, like I wrote the email a long time ago, put in my autoresponder. And today, this guy who's been on my list for a long time, like probably 6 months or more, he messaged me today. He's like, "Hey, I'm thinking about buying something from you. My mom recently passed away, so I just want to let you know that it's like on hold right now." And I was like, "Hey, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope everything's well. Let me know whenever you're ready." And he replied back and he said, "Yes, your email about your grandfather dying like really resonated with me. And
Hmm.
like, I'm thankful I read it. So I'll hit you back when I'm through it." So it just kind of like sunk in. Like, I didn't think anybody would remember an email for 6 months. I did not think that. But because I tell like relatable stories to people that are just like relatable on like a human level, as opposed to like, oh, business tip, it really, really resonates with people.